So I owe my friend Scott an apology. He's been so generous with letting us up at Spryberry Farm, and I may have taken some liberties with his photogenic qualities. So I figure it's time to make amends. Scott's actually an accomplished organic chemist, and parts of Spryberry Farm are an experimental farm. There have been at least 4 academic papers generated from research done on the farm itself. And Scott and his associates are trying to improve our understanding of organic chemistry that could help with things like crop yield and environmental impact. Some of the things he does on the farm is a little bit more exotic, like using some biosolids from the local waste treatment plant, and other things are some staples of farming like manure and fertilizer. But to help research going forward, Scott wants to set up a weather station. Where are you drilling the hole? The weather station has a bunch of different components to it, and one part of it is a probe that goes quite deep into the ground, and it's going to measure temperature and moisture levels in the soil at several different depths.
If I can put one here, I can put it here, which might be good. But I think this is the warmest spot on the farm.
Right, so a weather system here is going to be a little optimistic.
Yeah. And so I have it up near the woodshed.
But so you only have one, so you're picking and choosing. That place is a bit windswept.
Yeah, so I get wind but I really want to know moistures. Soil moisture.
Yeah.
Because everybody always says, it's dry, it's dry. It's supposed to be raining. What do you mean it's dry?
Yeah.
Tells me a lot. And real soil temperature, like, planting. So I'm heading up front. You coming up front, or you gonna go back to work?
I should probably finish those.
Yeah.
It's nice out though.
That's the twist. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll get the cap on. What? Pretty windy today. I put them in and I did it in the shop. Pretty good, really good.
All right, the weather station's up. It's going to collect soil temperature, wind speed, water levels, regular temperature, I guess, air temperature. All of this data should help Scott and his associates with their research going forward. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you liked the video, and we'll see you again soon.